Hey friends, welcome to the part 4. We will look at some more questions today. If you have not yet subscribed, do so. There are 900 plus videos on various certifications: Cloud, Azure Cloud, Google Cloud, AWS Cloud. So do not wait and get onboarded. Do not just do the entry level certification. You have to do the intermediate and advanced level. Entry level, even your vice president and senior leaders in your organization are doing. It has no value. Okay, believe me, it has no value. You have to move to the intermediate and advanced. So let us move to the next question here. There is a customer. So what is happening is the customer is saying, boss, I want protection, OWASP vulnerability protection. So if you look at Cloud Armor will only give you uh, DDoS protection. We don't want DDoS here. Cloud audit logs, you can audit the logs, but its focus is on the what actions happen, what misconfigurations happen. It will not help you with OWASP vulnerabilities. Anomaly detection is a data science concept. Here we don't have a service. So our answer is OWASP and web scanners. So this will help you with scanning and understanding the security weaknesses, and it focuses on dash tools, capabilities and limitations, false positives, limited scope, evolving attacks. You have to read this, pause this, read this carefully. So web scanner, option C is our answer. The next question that we see is, in this question you're setting up your own SAML identity provider, but you come to know that hey, you already have a domain which is being already used by G Suite. Now what to do? You have two choices: either you throw that and tell I don't want to use it, I will create my own, okay, like option B. But the problem here is you will not be able to reuse it. The investment goes for waste. That is why this option B, this is, it gives you more control, but then you are not reusing what you already have. Option C says, hey, let's use data manager's account as super domain. So that is not required. Here it can be anything. We don't want data manager, somebody to step in and get more access. No, that is wrong. A says that contact Google support. You cannot contact Google support every time, because imagine you are a small kid and you are playing cricket every time. Every day do you call your parents, because you will get slightly hurt here and there. Okay, so you don't call your parents, otherwise it dilutes. So similarly, you do not call Google support again and again, because they are not going to help. They are not meant for this purpose. So our final answer in this case is option D, where we will reuse whatever is existing, and this is also called a consolidation management approach. So this is what you do. You inform the customer about the benefits of the collaboration. You offer guidance, and by working with existing super admin, you streamline the onboarding process and avoid potential security conflicts. This is very important, and that is why we are trying to reuse whatever is there existing. So option D is our final answer. We will reuse whatever is there today. Okay, now this is the next question. In this case also, you have a cloud identity domain being set up, and you are going to support hundreds of projects. You want full control. You want to manage permissions, audit the domain resources, etc. What sort of permission do you need here? In this case, do you need a security reviewer? The security reviewer is a wrong permission, because it is so less. You want more permissions. Here you will only get permission to view the security related information. Now what about organization role administrator? In this case, they will give you permissions to do user management, permission management, security management, but you need a lot more capability. And what about policy administrator? See, in this case, we are not supposed to create any policies. The question is not talking about any policies. Then why to use policy administrator? See, policy, you want centralized policy management, you want to enforce compliance and etc. and create restrictions, or you have certain cost management because of which you are creating a policy. But in this case, you don't have any such requirement. So our answer would be organization administrator, because this gives you access for doing user management, security management. These two were already there in other one also, but here you also get billing management and service configuration. So these are much extra privileges that you are getting, and that is required if you want to manage permissions, audit the domain resources. You want such kind of permissions, then you have to go for organization administrator. Guys, if you have already subscribed, great. If you are not, take this opportunity, get onboarded with the Azure Cloud, Google Cloud, AWS Cloud certifications. There are 900 plus videos. Not sure what you are waiting for. Start your cloud journey. Don't stop when you are done with entry level certifications. Even your leaders have done it. It is not having much value. You, in your own capacity, in your role in software development and etc., you have to do intermediate and advanced certifications. That will carry a lot of weightage on your CV. I hope you understood the concepts. We will keep posting many more such parts.